Welcome back, guys. This week I have been testing out this 2025 Dodge Durango Hellcat Brass Monkey Edition. In this video I'm going to be telling you what it's been like to live with this vehicle for an entire week. I've put about 600 miles on it. I've driven it everywhere, to work, to the grocery stores, hauled people around, my friends around. This is an absolute hoon and a treat to drive. This Durango is finished in red oxide, and it looks black right now in this lighting, but at certain points of the day, if the sun shines on this car just right, it looks this really dark wine red. 20-inch wheels all the way around, same size tire all the way around, massive Brembo brakes all the way around as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that Hemi real quick. Do have this flat black hood, functional hood vents as well. 6.2 liter supercharged HEMI V8 made it to the legendary 8-speed automatic that's been in Stellantis products for some time now. Great transmission, great engine here. 710 horsepower, 645 pound-feet of torque, miles per gallon. I love this thing. The Durangos pretty much look the same for quite some time now, and over time the price just keeps creeping up and up and up, and really no major changes, but I think it still looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space real quick. Power liftgate that is a little bit slow. I believe this can tow 8,700 pounds if I remember correctly. This is a 6-passenger, so you can take all your friends in here and have some fun. You do get some storage under here. Easy fold third row as well. No power for 115K. Plenty of room for the kids and the family. Even the third row has plenty of room for adults back here. Really like this brown interior. Looks very sharp, very premium. This opening here is pretty wide for easier installation of a child seat. This is really the ultimate family hauler here. Let's go ahead and climb into the back seat here. A couple map pockets, a couple vents here, heated rear seats, a couple USB ports. Outlet down here, a couple cup holders. You even get your own center console with more connectivity down there. Climate controls up here, which is kind of cool. It kind of reminds me of an old minivan like that. Got this nice like suede microfiber Alcantara headliner here, sunroof. Big problem with these things is theft. These things get stolen all the time. So I have one of these little steering wheel locks. This isn't sponsored, by the way, but steering wheel locks to maybe at least thwart some of the theft while I've been parking this in cities and stuff like that. Climbing up to the driver's seat here, you do get heated and ventilated front seats, both power as well. SRT embossed in it. Looks very sharp. Climb in here. Alcantara steering wheel. Looks awesome in here. Updated Uconnect, that's pretty slow. No 360 backup camera. We still got the backup camera straight out of when this thing was introduced. Like I said, it is very slow to respond, very laggy. You do have some performance pages in here. Timers, gauges. I mean, you guys have seen this over the years. Wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay as well. Sometimes works, sometimes not. Sometimes takes 10 minutes to connect. Yeah, it's a bit glitchy. Dual zone climate controls. Well, I guess tri-zone climate controls if you count the rear. Some connectivity here. Wireless cell phone charger that actually works. Nice gear selector here. A couple cup holders, storage, decent sized center console. A little tier up top as well. Decent sized glove box, 12-volt outlet over here, sunglasses holder, auto dimming rear view mirror, garage home link. You have a Harman Kardon stereo system as well. That is really good. We'll actually just be listening to the soundtrack of this supercharged V8 rather than the Harman Kardon. 2-person memory here. Overall, the interior is pretty nice. I'm not sure if it lives up to that $115,000 expectations in my opinion. Enough blabbering. Let's go ahead and take this thing out for a quick spin and show you what it's like out on the road. Finally stopped raining here in Ohio. I've been waiting all week to do this shoot and finally got a break in the weather. So roads are a little bit wet. We ain't gonna be hooning it too terribly hard today. Road noise is pretty good. I think this is a pretty good daily overall. You do get adjustable drive modes that you can adjust the transmission, suspension firmness. You can really dial this thing in. We're gonna be keeping it in auto this entire time. Let the temperatures warm up just a little bit more before we start really hooning this thing. Overall, pretty quiet at speed. It's a little bit firm over bumps compared to other SUVs, but I mean, that's okay. This is more of a performance SUV. This thing handles extremely good. I know Chris Amos from the Topher YouTube channel said he's taken these out on track, and lap after lap after lap, they just perform extraordinarily well, pretty reliable. The reality of it is, it's just too much power for the street. You floor it once, you go through a gear, and you're already at the speed limit. And you know, that's just the reality of these super fast SUVs. While they're super fun to drive, and nothing else is like that on the road, realistically, it's really hard not to drive this thing and lose your license. The exhaust note sounds so good. It's loud, it gets droney, it starts vibrating plastic parts in the cabin because it's so droney. I got my passengers in the rear tend to go deaf. They said it's extremely loud. They keep saying they're going to quit making these, but every single year they keep bringing them back. Maybe this is the last year? I don't know. We'll see. I hope not. Got paddle shifters behind the wheel. Pretty responsive, not bad at all. This 8-speed automatic transmission in all these Chargers and Challengers and all throughout the years, just amazing transmissions. Oh, I love doing that. That never ever gets old, ever. Let's see if we can do a quick launch. It's really wet, but I doubt we'll get good traction, but we'll see. Let's go ahead, press this launch button here, apply brake pressure, apply full throttle. Yeah, just literally sit and spin. I just laugh every single time I do that. Overall, on the road though, I mean, this is a pretty decent daily driver. Yes, it gets absolutely horrible miles per gallon, but you know, if you can afford one of these, you can afford the gas to put in it. Who cares? You have adaptive cruise control, works pretty good. No lane centering here, but you know, for 115K, that's a little bit of a bummer, but really paying the premium here for this supercharged Hemi for sure. No automatic wipers either. You know, it's a little bit dated. The screen in the middle just takes 9 hours to go from menu to menu. I love the shifts. The shifts are so crisp. I think I filled this up almost every other day, honestly. I'm like almost $200 deep in gas right now for just a week. If you live in a cold area too, you got a nice heated steering wheel. Keep your hands warm. Blind spot monitoring as well. Great visibility out the rear with the headrest down. I think you can fold the headrest down in the infotainment too. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the 2025 Dodge Durango Hellcat Brass Monkey Edition review. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's go take a look at this thing one more time all the way around. Its brass wheels just look super sharp. Shout out to Dodge for providing me this vehicle to film this week. It has been an absolute pleasure. 115K, I don't know, but it's fun and sounds good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and see ya in the next video. Take care, everybody.